Welcome back to Cooking with Rashee. Today we're making 3 refreshing mango drinks, all that come together in just minutes. Perfect when you want something to cool down on a warm summer day or if you're craving a tropical beverage. Before we get started, the main ingredient for all 3 of these drinks is mango puree. If you don't have mango puree on hand, you can use fresh mango or frozen mango based on the recipe. So let's get started with our first drink, which is a mango lassi. In a blender, combine together mango puree, yogurt, a splash of water or milk, cardamom powder, some honey, or you could use sugar for a little sweetness. Blend everything together until it's completely smooth and creamy, adding milk or water as needed to adjust the thickness. Some people like their mango lassi thicker, some like it a little thinner. After it's blended, we'll make a simple garnish for the glass. So pour simple syrup on one plate and then add crushed nuts to another plate. Take your glass and lightly line the rim with simple syrup, then coat it with crushed nuts for a little texture and beautiful presentation. We'll then pour our mango lassi into the glass, and you can add a few extra ice cubes if you like. Finish it off with a light sprinkle of cardamom powder and some chopped nuts on top. And just like that, your mango lassi is ready. It's smooth, creamy, and perfectly refreshing with just a hint of warm spice from the cardamom. This is one of those drinks that's super simple but always feels a little special. Next, we're making a mango coconut cooler. This one is full of coconut flavor and is equally yummy. In your blender, combine together half a cup of mango puree, then half a cup of coconut milk. We want this one extra creamy, so pour in about a quarter cup of milk, add in a teaspoon of honey or sugar, add a few ice cubes, and then blend everything together until it's silky and smooth. For the garnish, we'll coat the glass in simple syrup as well as shredded coconut. So on one plate, pour a little simple syrup, and on the other one, sprinkle a little shredded coconut. Lightly coat the rim of the glass with simple syrup and then dip it into the shredded coconut. Pour your mango coconut cooler into the glass and finish it off with a sprinkle of coconut right on top, as well as some finely chopped mango. And your mango coconut cooler is ready. This one is slightly thick, icy, and incredibly refreshing with that smooth coconut flavor, blending perfectly with the sweetness of the mango. Every sip feels like a little tropical escape. Now for the last drink, and honestly my latest obsession, we're making a mango and Sprite Fizz with mint and lime. Light, fizzy, and super refreshing. Start by muddling fresh mint leaves with lime. This helps release all those bright, fresh flavors. Once that's done, add the muddled mixture into your glass. Add fresh lime juice. Adding lime juice gives your drink a bright, zesty kick that balances the sweetness of the mango. Pour in your mango puree. Now add the fizzy part, which is Sprite or any lemon lime soda that you enjoy. The soda gives the drink bubbles and lightness, making it feel refreshing and fun. Pour gently so it doesn't overflow and so you don't lose all the fizz. Give everything a gentle stir to combine the flavors, and finally add your ice cubes to keep the drink cold and crisp. To finish it off, garnish with fresh mint leaves and some slices of strawberries. This drink is crisp, refreshing, and has the perfect balance of sweet, citrus, and mint with a little hint of strawberry. And there you have it, 3 refreshing mango drinks, each one simple, flavorful, and perfect for any time of the day or any occasion. From creamy and rich to light and fizzy, there's something here for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family. Leave me a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite drink. And be sure to subscribe to Cooking with Rashee for more easy and tasty recipes just like this. I'll see you soon in a new video.